In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Grok AI chat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can safely download a copy of your conversations and account details for your records. First, open Grok. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so the data you export matches what you need. If you use Grok in a browser, it's fine to continue there. If you use the app, open it as you normally would. Give it a moment to load your dashboard so all the menu options are available. Next, look to the bottom left of the screen and click your icon. This icon is typically your profile picture or a simple avatar. Clicking it opens your account menu, which is where Grok keeps all your personal options and preferences. If your window is small, the icon might be compact. Hovering over it can help reveal the label. From that menu, click Settings. This is the central place to adjust how Grok behaves for you. It collects everything related to your account in one spot, so you don't have to dig through different pages. Take a second to confirm you're on the right screen before moving on. Inside Settings, find and click Data Controls. This section focuses on privacy, security, and data management. It's where you can review how your data is handled and, importantly for today, where you can begin an export. Think of it as your control panel for what Grok stores on your behalf. Now, click Export Account Data. When you do, Grok will begin preparing an archive of your information. This typically includes your chat history, related metadata, and certain account settings. The system may need time to compile everything, especially if you've had a lot of conversations. You can let it process in the background. When the export is ready, you'll see an option to download your data. The file often arrives as a single compressed archive, which helps keep it organized and easy to store. A few quick tips while you wait. Keep a stable internet connection, so the request can complete without interruption. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device for the exported file. When you download it, save it somewhere you can easily find later and consider backing it up. Because this archive can include sensitive content from your chats, store it securely and avoid sharing it publicly. That's all there is to it. Open Grok, click your icon on the bottom left, go to Settings, choose Data Controls, and select Export Account Data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your information with confidence.